Hi everyone. So in the study we will learn how to check if a caps lock is on when the user is typing in an input field in JavaScript. So let's get started. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. A link to the style sheet. Add the script file at the bottom, which is script.js. We need one div element here. One input element. Placeholder will be enter text. We need one h1 element. So text will be caps lock is on. Save it. Go to style sheet. Select div element. Display will be inline block. Also select the body element. Text line will be center. Select the input element. Display will be inline block. Padding will be 10 pixel and 20 pixel. Select h1 element. By default, the display will be none. Save it. Open this file in the browser. And this is the output. Now let's try to understand how it will actually work. I will enter some text here. In case my caps lock is on, I want to show a message here. Caps lock is on. So let's go to JavaScript file. Select the input element. Select the h1 element. Let's make it output. Add event listener to the input element. Event will be key up. The handler function, and we'll get the event object here like this. Now there's a method in the event object that is get modifier state, with the help of which we'll detect if the caps lock is on or not. So if event.get modifier state caps lock, it will return true if it is on. In that case, I want to show the message, so it will be output dot style dot display. It will be block. Now just copy it. Else I want to keep it none. Save it. Go to browser. Let's type here some random text. For example, ABC. The moment when my caps lock is on, I'll get a message caps lock is on. When it is off, it will go away. You can see. So that's it. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.